Hi everyone, welcome to this new video. In today's video, we're gonna keep working with evaluation with MLflow. Specifically, we're gonna work with regression. So, for this example, I'm going to use a dummy dataset. So I'm going to use make regression function from scikit-learn. I'm going to create my dummy dataset that you can see here. We have 5 features and the target. Now, as you can see here, this is a float or a real number. So this is because in this case it's a regression task. So I'm going to split my dataset into training and testing dataset. And now here I'm going to train my regressor, a random forest regressor, using the training data. And then I'm going to log the model within this MLflow run, evaluating random forest regressor. Since I am using scikit-learn, the flavor that I have to use is scikit-learn. Now, for the evaluation, I had to provide the path or the model URI for this particular MLflow model. And notice that the main difference here is that the model type is regressor. Before it was classifier, but in this case, since we are working with a regressor model, we need to specify this here so MLflow can, let's say, use the right metrics or calculate the right metrics. So let me run this. And now, let me show you this in the interface. So here, if I refresh this, we can see this new run, evaluating random forest regressor. Here we can see like the metrics that MLflow calculated. And as you can see here, they are like common metrics that we use for regression tasks. So we have like max error, the mean absolute error, root mean squared error, and so on. So in artifacts, we can see the explainer. The shape is planar for this model. We have all these plots that MLflow calculated. And everything was like automatically. We didn't calculate any of this. MLflow was able to provide all these metrics and plots. And of course we have the scikit-learn model, the final model. So that's all for this video. Thanks for watching it and see you next time.